Hello, my Bong to Life family. Welcome back to my channel. This vlog is all about the Lunar New Year decoration in Kuala Lumpur. And trust me, we are visiting not one, but two big places. First stop, Birja Times Square. And after that, we are walking to Lalapur to check their CNY setup too. So it's great ready for lots of red, gold, and lanterns, festive vibes, and of course, my honest reaction about whether it's worth coming here or not. First stop, this Birja Times Square. And wow, guys, the moment you enter, it feels like you have walked straight into a Chinese royal palace. Look at these huge red lanterns hanging everywhere. Red means luck, happiness, and prosperity in Chinese culture. And honestly, today I feel extra lucky. Already just standing here. The whole place is designed like an ancient Chinese courtyard with golden details. Big pillars, traditional patterns, and even grand stage at the center. The decoration is giving full historical drama vibes, like I am inside a Chinese movie scene. The Lunar New Year theme here is very traditional and classic. Lots of LED lanterns, golden elements, Chinese style decoration, and very festive market feeling. You can see the big decorative structure inspired by the Chinese culture along with the hanging lanterns all over the open space. It really feels like a proper New Year celebration zone. Perfect for photos, videos, and family visit. Honestly, this part is quite beautiful and gives that real festive mood. What I like here is that the decoration is not just one small corner, it's spread across the big area. So when you walk, you keep discovering more designs. There are traditional patterns, bright red colors everywhere, and even a little setup areas that look like a festive street. Yes, there is lots of jewelry, gold bars, silver bars, and pearls. Everything is there. Kids are running around, families are taking pictures, and the whole mall feels alive. If you want to that classic Chinese New Year feel, Beja Times Square does it really well. Kind of.
রাজপ্রাসাদে দাওয়াত দিয়েছে। প্রবেশ করতে পারবি।
See this giant dragon design. Dragon represent power, success, and good fortune. So if you touch the dragon, maybe you will get rich this year. Should I try? No, I didn't try. Everywhere you look, red, gold, flower, lanterns, everything is shining so beautifully. It's perfect for photos, reels, Instagram, YouTube shorts, content heaven. And honestly, guys, if you are coming to KL during Chinese New Year, Birja Times Square is totally worth visiting just for the decoration. Front of Lalapur, but can't go there. I have to take here. Okay, guys. Now a quick transfer from Birja Times Square to Lalapur. Literally just 2 minutes. And yes, we are walking fast because shopping bags are heavy and excitement is higher. But wait, even while rushing, look at the view from the bridge. Kuala Lumpur really knows how to shine at night. Full lights show for free. Cars going zoom zoom below us. City glowing everywhere. Feels like we are in a travel movie. Rishin is speed walking like we are late for flights. And I'm walking like don't drop the bags. Don't trip. Don't embarrass yourself. Honestly, this small walk itself feels like a mini tour of KL. If you ever come here, don't skip this bridge view. It's quiet, quick, but super beautiful. Okay, Lalaport is right here. Let's go and see the Lunar New Year magic. This. Okay, now welcome to Lalaport. And wow, this place feels totally different for Birja Times Square. If Birja was a royal palace, Lalaport is like modern Chinese New Year festival village. Look at all those lantern tunnels. It feels like you are walking inside a glowing red dream. They are decorated it like an open air celebration with flowers, light, cute setup, and so many photo spots. This theme is more playful, bright, and cheerful. Perfect for couples, families, reels, and vlog shots. Honestly, I feel like posing everywhere, but Rishin is already tired of recording. And I love how Lalaput keep it spacious. You can walk comfortably, enjoy the decoration and shop also. Between Bedja and Lalaput, both are worth visiting, but totally different experience. Show you from this side also. Of course, there is lots of stores are also there, but okay. You look so good. Come here. Kids are playing here and there. And here is my board. Let's go. Where do you want to eat? Down? Up? Down?
আপে কোথায় পাবো ও
আপে?
একদম উপরটায়
উপরে যেতে হবে নিচে যাবে?
না, নিচে।
Okay. Let's go. Of course, there are lots and lots of market. Kids wear. Full family can wear this things.
সবাই আছে
ডেকোরেশনটা কি সুন্দর করেছে, সব থেকে ভালো লাগছে there is a proper big family sitting area. Decoration is also good. This is my board and this is the outside. Okay guys, after walking so much, enjoying all the lunar year decoration and shopping like crazy, our energy is officially finished. So we decided to end today's vlog in the best possible way, with food. And this restaurant here in Lalaport is actually new too for us. First time trying it, so let's see how it goes. Honestly, after a long day like this, hot food, sitting peacefully like heaven. Today was a really beautiful, from the royal palace style decoration at Bedja Times Square to the modern festival vibes here at Lalaput. And now the perfect dinner to close the day. So you enjoyed exploring K Lunar Year with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bongbento Life family. See you in my next vlog with lots of new fun and lots of new decoration and no new mall tours. Till then, take care and